We turn the flame now into high, and wait for it to boil. As you can see, it's boiling now. We're gonna put inside the nuts and let it boil together for just a little bit. Gotta close the fire, and we're gonna take the nuts out and put it on a baking sheet, separate it. If the nuts are gonna be together, then they're gonna be stuck, and we don't want that. So we're gonna put them on a baking sheet, separated. It's a little bit sticky, but we're gonna separate them, and you can see. We're gonna let them cool for about 15 minutes till they get hard.